Hi, this is how you change your profile picture in Zoom via laptop. So here, if you see this, I'm circling around this profile picture. But if you don't have a profile picture yet, so initials you will see from that. And then I'll make it bigger first, and then just click on that. You will see on the sides, profile. Click that one, and then it will bring you to a site. Then you have to sign in, or you just connect with your Google account. So since I have Google account, I press that Google account. I press that, and then I selected my Zoom account, email Zoom account. When you open that, it will bring you to your profile. There you can edit everything, the name, the picture. So since we are looking for the picture, you just click that and then change, and then select from the picture that you have from your gallery or in your files, and then just save it afterwards. So, and then close it. When you go back to your Zoom app, then it will change. It changed already. So that's it. Simple way to change your profile.